Okay, today we have the privilege to have here Michael. He's going to do the Rubik's Cube and he's going to try to beat his record. His record is a world record right now at 10 seconds. We'll see what he can do today. Okay, as you can see, he has this cube here and no two colors are right next to each other. Okay, so Michael, are you ready? I'm going to start here the time clock. Ready, set, go.
Oh shoot.
Oh, Michael's doing it. Man, he's 4 seconds. 4.5.
Oh.
What the F? He got it! Wow, look at it. Under 5 seconds. The world top record right now in the world. What the